How to share a YouTube video on Facebook. Now, let's say you want to share a YouTube video to your Facebook page to allow every friends of yours on Facebook to be able to see that. All you have to do is to go to your YouTube app right here and search for a video that you want to share. Let's say Taylor Swift right here. After that, let's say I want to share this specific YouTube video. All I have to do is to click on these three dots right here and click on share. Now just have to tap on newsfeed right here and to be able to share to our Facebook newsfeed. After that, I can write a caption to this, or I can tag people if I want to. Let's say this one right here. I can also add an emotion or a feeling that I am feeling during that specific video, or I can add a location to it. I can pretty much add anything right here, and then I can write a caption. Let's say there. Now, all we have to do in order for us to share this specific YouTube video to Facebook is to click on post right here. After that, you just have to go to your Facebook account, and as you can see, this is now posted to my newsfeed. So that's how to share a YouTube video on Facebook. Hope we help.